Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from AIsa. In this demo, I will show you how to connect Hermes Desktop to AIsa using AIsa's OpenAI-compatible API endpoint. First, let's understand what Hermes Agent is. Hermes Agent is an open-source, self-improving AI agent. Hermes Desktop, on the other hand, gives builders a local workspace for running and managing agent conversations, while AIsa acts as the model gateway. So, Hermes Desktop is more like a workspace where builders can chat with their agents instead of having to connect it to, instead of having to talk with your agent via Terminal, Telegram, Discord, or other. But in this sense, you can now do almost everything through Hermes Desktop. So now I am going to show you how to connect AIsa with your Hermes Desktop. So first, let's open the terminal and run this Hermes model. And as you can see here, you can see I already have my AIsa set up already. But let me just quickly show you how you will need to do as a first time user setting up AIsa with your Hermes Desktop. So you just click on this 31 custom endpoint. Click on enter and let's quickly come back here and to get this you can just come to our documentation here. Let's wait for it to quickly load up. Alright, so come here and just come here to copy this. Click on copy. Alright, come back to the terminal here. Come back here, paste this here, click on enter. Oh, we need our AIsa API key. Let's come back here and get API key. Alright, so come here. Over here we have our AIsa API key. Copy this, come back to your terminal, paste this here, click on enter. Let's wait for it to spin up a bit. Okay, so select API compatibility mode. Over here I'm going to click on 2 chat completions. Right, model name. Let's come back to our AIsa website here. Come to model gateway here, and here is where we have all our available models, and you can see everything. Over 86 plus models available right now. And let's say I want to use the latest Grok 4.3 model with my Hermes agent. So all I have to do is copy this here. Okay, and if you also want to check more details about this model, you can just click on it, and here you have it. You can see more details here. So you can click on here to copy. Come back to your terminal, paste this here, click on enter. Context length in tokens, just click on enter. Just over here too, we just click on enter. Alright, so as you can see, we already set it up and we are good to go. So let's quickly confirm if AIsa is truly working with Hermes. So Hermes charts and we enter. We wait a bit, wait for it to spin up. So over here we want to quickly test AIsa. Want to test Hermes with AIsa through the terminal before we head over to the desktop. So quickly, let's just type something fun. Hey there, and what can you do for me? Right, so very quickly, let's see if it's going to first an interesting response. Right. I'm Hermes, a CLI AI agent built by blah 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 by Nose Research. I run locally. Okay. So that is that. Let's quickly close this quickly. Alright. So now let's open up our Hermes Desktop quickly. Right. We wait for this to load up. And now we are here. Let's quickly check over here. Okay, Grok over here, API.AIsa.1. right? And we have rock 4.3 selected, right? Yeah, we have Grok 4.3 selected. So let's just quickly let's tell MS something. Let's see if it's going to work. Give us a reply. Show the desktop. Yeah, so we wait for it to spin up quickly. Here we have our story. The little fox woke to sunlight, blah blah blah, and here we have it. Okay, so this means also is successfully connected with your MS desktop. So that is very easy to set up, and it doesn't take much. It's not even complicated in any way. So to get started, all you need to do is come here, get your AIsa API key, sign up if you don't have an account yet, and yeah, see, you can use AIsa with your MS agent. You can also use it with your OpenAI agent. It's compatible. Yeah, so yeah, just give it a try. Thank you so much for watching.